Well, hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park Area Maulers Club. We're going to take up the FMS VIPER 15-year anniversary edition. Got the KM models afterburner in her. Got a GPS speed meter in her. We're going to, or performance GNSS performance analyzer in her. Wind is cross breeze, but I always get that. So let's see what kind of speed we get out of this thing. All right, here we go. Running a 4006S Sokokin. Whoa.
Gear up.
All right, we'll take her up.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
All right, that should definitely give my speed reading.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
All right, kind of bring her in kind of slow. Give myself a landing pass or attempt just to see. All right, that kind of gives me an idea that it's going to be weird. All right. So glad it's got wide gear,
Flaps up.
because it makes it a lot easier. Turn around here. Love that afterburner.
Gear up.
Guarantee I'm over 100 miles an hour.
Landing flaps. Gear down.
All right. Whoa, that cross breeze runway.
Gear up. Time remaining 1 minute.
All right.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
Okay, what we'll do, we'll land from the other direction here.
Flaps up.
Ah, too hot. Coming in too hot.
30 seconds. Landing flaps.
Slow myself down a little bit.
Flaps up.
All right, let's see what kind of speed we got here.
Ready.
Oh, I forgot I got brakes. I forgot all about well, shoot. Duh. I got brakes, man. I could have used the brakes. Oh, 17 seconds over. Cute. Okay. Motor off. And let's see. I got brakes and forgot all about it. Reverse thrust is what that is. All right, let's that's where I got that GNS performance analyzer. Let's stop it and read. Yep, 116 mile an hour, and my max height was 404 feet, so a little over I'm supposed to fly, but 116 mile an hour, so not bad at all. So you want to turn the app off, and that will turn the GPS off. In about 30 seconds or so, all them lights will come out or go out, and saves the battery life on the GPS. Okay, undo the KM model afterburner. KM models, thank you for the afterburner for review. Hobby Zone, thank you for the Viper for review. And we still got 48%. Yeah, see, all the lights are out on the GPS now. And that is the it is the GNSS Performance Analyzer by Sky RC. Got 48% left, and my setup is a 7-channel stabilized Gen 2 Lemon RX. Great receiver. It doesn't have self-level, but it does have wind mitigation, and I can put on that roller there, I can put the gains either high or low, just depending on the situation, and literally deal with it on the fly. All right, folks, well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. KM Models, thank you. Hobby Zone, thank you. And viewers, big thank you all for stopping by and see what this fat guy's all about. Don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and then jets. Bye-bye.